Hi friends. This video is to give an idea about what is Kaizen. Look at this picture. And it tells us the importance of small steps. Small steps are easy to achieve and move faster, whereas long steps are tough to move. Either we can say so complicated. The same logic applies to Kaizen as well. Kaizen approach is contributing small ideas, helps to bring big change or bring a big impact in the process over a period of time. These small ideas are predominantly expected from the one who is working in the field. However, all the employees across all the levels can share their ideas for continuous improvement. Everyone knows Kaizen is a Japan word. Kaizen aim is to eliminate waste in the system. Common wastes are 1. Overproduction. At times organizations produce more when the demand was less. This kind of waste mostly happens in the manufacturing industry. Another waste is waiting time. For example, on many occasions, some of us experienced slowness in the system, which made us wait for some time. When this happens for 100 colleagues, then it is a big waste. Have to find a way to eliminate this slowness in any ways. Next waste is delay, by doing non-value-added steps or unwanted process flow. For example, in a process, there are 10 steps to be followed, of which 2 steps are not required, which is getting covered in one of the remaining processes. By eliminating these 2 steps can able to save some amount of time, which helps to move the production faster. You can also try this out in your process. Look at your process steps very closely. Delay in assigning work or allocating work to our colleagues is another opportunity for improvement everywhere. Next waste is overprocessing, or excess investment. For example, in a service industry, the organization invested in high configuration systems which may not be required, and considered to be high-cost investments. In some cases, the team using a dual monitor which is not at all required is another waste. The same logic applies to the manufacturing industry as well. Next waste is defects. Correcting the defects consumes more time and effort, so everyone should produce right at the first time. Do you know one thing? Statistics say correcting the defects takes double the time of production. Since you all are experts, find a way to do it right the first time and spread the logic across. Alright, hope you have got a fair idea about Kaizen. However, the implementation of Kaizen requires 6 Sigma tool and techniques which we shall discuss in detail in the upcoming videos. Please share your comments and suggestion for improvement. Share this video with your friends and knowledge seekers. At last, thanks for watching.